Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network. The state of Guam's judiciary is sound, but also in the process of hitting the refresh button.
I also believe in dusting ourselves off and sprucing ourselves up when necessary, taking a step back to look at our operations with a fresh perspective to see where we might better ourselves and ultimately better our delivery of justice.
On Tuesday morning, Chief Justice Katherine Maraman delivered the annual State of Judiciary Address, highlighting what's working and what needs work. Among the judiciary's strengths are efforts in probation reform, which have resulted in a decrease in the pretrial detainee population at the prison, therapeutic courts, which address individual needs of defendants, and will soon include a driving while intoxicated court. The judge also announced a new court-appointed special advocates or CASA program.
Modeled after initiatives in other jurisdictions, this program, which will be managed by the public guardian, will be comprised of trained volunteers who are appointed by the court to represent the best interests of a child in an abuse or neglect case, in and out of court.
The CJ also announced the court's first ever Master of Public Administration program so employees can avail opportunities to advance in education and a new judicial education center in the Guam Law Library. As for work ahead, the first female Chief Justice outlined ongoing work to the infrastructure, including roof renovations and addition of new courtrooms, the need for an additional trial judge, and the need for a $1.9 million increase in their budget request to support personnel salaries and mandated increments. Speaker B.J. Cruz.
The budget is going to be interesting, and the salary increases will be interesting also. But I support the whole concept of her presentation.
Lieutenant Governor Ray Tenorio said he plans to work with the judiciary and highlighted the need for an aggressive strategy to curtail drug abuse.
I just asked her if we can work on a number of these issues because juvenile justice and dealing with domestic violence and possession of controlled substances is still one of the prevalent problems that we've been dealing with in the executive branch as well.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.